Good and not being right. So we have a tune for that scene. Them stinking dirty Babylon. We don't like them, yes? We don't want them, we don't need them. We live in a situation, and Babylon and them not have no reason. Get how you rise up and be strong. Build your foundations. Look at you, how them one carry gun. What happened to the days of fun? Look at you, how one start banking. What happened to the days of cool and chill? You will fight over post, open the kill. We're all one brother, I'm just another mother. So put down your gun and back this get done. And we bring mothers no more for your son. We live in a situation, and Babylon and them not have no reason. Get a youth rise up and be strong. Build your foundation. We live in a situation, and Babylon and them not have no reason. Get a youth rise up and be strong. Build your foundation. Why disrespect when we can all get along? The weakest link would be the Babylon. Why each and everyone never be shoot everyone? But the money and the ring, but the drugs you will bring. How come to brother mama step up there like a weak and hold it better cause we'll not be up forever. Link up and not disrespect. How we know the system not proper. Hold up! We live in a situation, and Babylon and them not have no reason. Get a youth rise up and be strong. Build your foundation. Come up. We live in a situation, and Babylon and them not have no reason. Get a youth rise up and be strong. Build your foundation. In these times of confusion, Babylon tried to set up an illusion. What's the conclusion? You would lose man, white and black with no separation, all under one roof. Unification, building of the strong. You know we can't done this of people. Yes, we have to all get along. We say longer to be with you in this song. And if you feel the fight, we have a celebration. There's plenty of food and some drink and some rock up. So link up and we are taught to the nation. But we just overstand. We live in a situation, and Babylon and them have no reason. Get a youth rise up and be strong. And you want to tell them rude boy will come about the place. As how we rise and joy, it must be a we. No enemy because they can't get near we. We don't be the one that's on the morning glory, the grass they green. Outside is fresh, and you know what we see. No blood stained death. The weather gets hot, and it could take your breath. Lord of mercy, you don't hear what they say. You're not the living and the living, so you're not going to spray. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta is the only thing me hear. Just the one no play for me girl and me dear. Me can't hear the kids, them love this year. Crack and cocaine still in the atmosphere. And the God you know open up to jump over here. When you're living in the city, you can't get nowhere. Pagan and bad mind, you look on you a share. But you still see your job for your love and care. We live in a situation, and Babylon and them not have no reason. Get a youth rise up and be strong. Build your foundation. Thank you very much. And you can catch me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, SoundCloud. Got a couple of mixtapes. Always up for performing.